What if your investments could grow your money and protect the planet at the same time? Climate change is rising, pollution is increasing, but investors around the world are changing the way they invest. They are choosing something called sustainable and green investing. In this video, I will explain ESG investing in simple words, show you how it works, and share beginner-friendly green investment ideas you can start today. Let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome to richerguide. If you want practical money advice in simple language, you're in the right place. Let's start building wealth the smart way. Sustainable investing means putting your money into companies that care about the environment, society, and ethical business practices. Instead of investing only for profit, you invest in companies that try to do the right thing. For example, companies that reduce pollution, companies that treat employees fairly, companies that follow honest management practices. This approach is also called ESG investing. It allows you to align your money with your values. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. Let's break it down. Environmental focuses on how a company affects the planet. Does it reduce carbon emissions? Does it use renewable energy? Social focuses on how a company treats people. Are employees paid fairly? Is the workplace safe? Governance focuses on leadership and management. Is the company transparent? Does it avoid corruption? Companies that score high in ESG are considered more responsible and future-ready. Sustainable investing is not just a trend. Governments are supporting clean energy. Consumers prefer eco-friendly brands. Investors want long-term stability. Companies that ignore environmental rules face fines and risks. But companies that adapt early often grow faster. This is why ESG investing is growing worldwide. Many people think sustainable investing gives lower returns. But that is not true. In many cases, ESG-focused companies perform as well as, or even better than, traditional companies. Why? Because responsible companies avoid major scandals, plan long-term, adapt to regulations faster. Over time, this reduces risk and increases stability. You don't have to choose between profit and purpose. You can have both. Now let's look at beginner-friendly green investment options. First, ESG mutual funds. These funds invest in responsible companies and are professionally managed. Second, ESG index funds. Low cost and good for long-term investors. Third, renewable energy stocks. Companies in solar, wind, electric vehicles, and battery technology. Fourth, green bonds. Low-risk options supporting environmental projects. Fifth, sustainable ETFs. Diversified and easy to trade. Start small, diversify, think long-term. Before investing, remember, don't invest just because something is labeled green. Check performance and fundamentals. Diversify your portfolio. Stay invested long-term. Sustainable investing is a strategy, not a shortcut. Your money has power. You can use it to build wealth and to build a better future. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more smart finance content, and check the link in description for our full beginner guide. Invest smart. Invest responsibly. If this video helped you understand sustainable investing, hit the like button and subscribe for more smart money content. And check the description for our complete beginner guide on ESG investing. Let's build wealth the right way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.